Will always look for opportunities to score on second chance points.
Trollano with a steal. San Miguel looking to start the second the way they did the first. Tautua barreling his way through.
Using his strength, he will always look for opportunities to score on second chance points.
Trollano with a steal. San Miguel looking to start the second the way they did the first. Tautua barreling his way through.
Using his strength.
Mo for three.
Itong firepower ng San Miguel. Pasok si Mo Tautua, 5 straight points. The last one was a wide open three.
Zhu Jiajun loses it. And Trollano will stop and pop.
By Liu.
Sangkaho ng abante ng San Miguel. Bagay na bagay sa ganitong maulan na panahon nyo.
Yan.
Trollano makes it 26 though. Ito San Miguel has broken the game wide open. Ito ang ating play of the half brought to us by Sports Plus. Looking inside, no line of sight. Now he bounces it to his big man. Steal again by Don. Celedonio getting rid of land.
Napakadaling tira. Hinabol pa nila. 3-point play na naman para rito kay Don.
Looking inside, no line of sight. Now he bounces it to his big man. Steal again by Don. Celedonio getting rid of land.
Napakadaling tira. Hinabol pa nila. 3-point play na naman para rito kay Don. Free throws earlier. But after that, it was all positive things. A lot of important baskets scored by Trollano. Binibigyan niya rin tayo ng warning na talagang malakas ang ulan pauwi.
Trollano for three. His double-digit streak is intact.
All net. Samantala, stopping on a dime, shooting his 4-point shot, averaging more than 16 points per ball game.
Ito hindi umabot.
Tama yan. And I think the effort was really lacking in the first 24 minutes. And if you take a look at the numbers, for example, second
Na 43. Combined score 117. Bago na rin yan.
no, nadadagdagan pa. Another 3-pointer.
Lamb. Short.
Naku, hindi pa nagkaamo yan. Another fast break. Oh, nice pass by Don Trollano to his...
You know Blackwater's cheering for San Miguel right now. As Trollano comes up in reverse. Last and third. This time he gives it up. Nice ball movement by San Miguel. Kinorek na tayo ni Sir Fidel.
Ano na?
Compute pa ako ng compute ng 80 ng San Miguel.
Struggled mightily finding points. But Don Trollano, there was no problem for him.
Best player of the game natin at sa atin ang Sports Plus.
17 points, all happening in the second quarter. They padded on to their lead. 3 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals, 6 out of 9 from the field. And another facet, every time Trollano was inside, his team was plus 25. Limited minutes at 17 minutes only.
Congratulations to our player of the game, Don Trollano. Don, kahit na may delay, kahit na ang laki na ng lamang nyo, patuloy pa rin kayong sumagasa. Anong sinasabi ng laro na to sa'yo tungkol sa kultura ng SMB at yung respeto na meron kayo para sa laro?
Kasi sa amin kasi like pag lumalamang kami tapos nagre-relax kami. So parang naging lesson na yun ngayon sa amin. Kahit naman kami, patuloy pa rin, same intensity hanggang sa matapos.
Paano mo mailalarawan yung mga ensayo nyo dahil yung mga players na hindi naman masyado nakakuha ng minutes, naprotektahan pa rin nila yung lamang sa dulo?
Yung mga like the third group, they really practice hard. Kaya confident kami na kahit ipasok sila, mapapanatili na yung lamang namin.
Don, bago ka muna umuwi, sino ba yung mga gusto mo munang batian?
Binabati ko yung wife ko and yung dalawa kong anak, si Caleb and si Bryce.
Thank you so much, Don. Congratulations. Let's now hear from Coach Leo.